We really are quality first. So what we want more than anything else is quality repairs. We're a little different in that we don't pay technicians on any type of a productivity scale. And I don't want technicians rushing, not taking the additional time, not doing the extra test drives, not getting the complete picture on the final data. Our objective is always to upgrade the unit to above what the factory made it whenever possible. Matt Johnson. I own 2 Kennedy transmission locations, one in Minneapolis, one in Apple Valley. Started out in the industry about 30 years ago in the tires and general service side of things. Myself and my business partner Blaze purchased our first Kennedy transmission location in 2015 in Minneapolis. 2021, we purchased the Apple Valley location, and we really haven't looked back. We do a lot of work that very few other shops do. So we specialize in transmissions, but we've really expanded into hybrid drive units and CBT transmissions. And we're one of just a handful of shops across the U.S. that actually work on those systems. So we've got quite a good reputation. We've been written up in Transmission Digest, which is a national publication recognized for a lot of our specialty work. A lot of what we do is work that other shops just won't even touch. So a lot of our referral business is things that other shops just don't even want to get into, don't have the knowledge base, and have no desire to take the risk to learn the new technologies. Because we're such a specialty shop, we get customers from all over the Midwest, and we do a lot of work for other shops. So again, a lot of the work that we do is pretty specialized, even kind of obtaining specialty parts from overseas, things like that. We have really good resources in that regard. As our business grew and just our car count increased, and then with the addition of the second location especially, compliance and reporting really became somewhat burdensome. I think it's critical, and it might be a little cliche, but to really work on your business rather than in your business. And when you get too absorbed into those type of things, you're taking time away from the actual day-to-day operations of your business. That is really where payroll and tax reporting comes in, and there's so much room for error on that. That's one of those things that I think as an owner, you really need to get off your plate if you have any type of a growth mindset. So I've used both the big national payroll providers over the years, and what I really found frustrating was we'd start out with a representative and things would be going fine. There was extremely high turnover with both of those companies, so you'd rarely have the same representative for more than maybe 6 months. And it seemed like, especially with our previous provider, every time there was a changeover of payroll representative, we would encounter errors. And those errors could be really difficult to correct. Sometimes it was actually errors on top of errors. I think when it comes to building trust with your employees, on their side of things, it really has to start with getting their pay accurate. So years ago, a boss of mine said, your employees they'll understand that you're a human being. They'll understand that mistakes happen, but don't ever make mistakes on their paycheck. I can't think of a payroll issue that I've actually had with CSI, and I can think of many, many issues I had with our previous providers. And that breakdown of trust with your employees, it's not worth taking a chance. When we purchased our second location from David Kennedy, he introduced me to Chris at CSI, and when I expressed my frustrations with our previous provider, he said, "Hey, I've got a fantastic solution." So I spoke with Chris, and I could kind of tell within minutes that this was a different type of organization. It wasn't a giant national company. I could get the real sense of kind of hands-on working directly with somebody. So we decided to make the switch and haven't looked back. It's been a fantastic relationship. You're dealing with professional people who are looking at your payroll the same way you are. I do all my payroll in my own custom Excel spreadsheets, and CSI was able to adapt immediately to that. There were no transition issues. The attention to any question or problem that would arise is immediate. As a matter of fact, CSI has a good enough reputation that my insurance auditor, who does our annual work comp audits, actually brought up the fact that when we made the switch to CSI that we're going to be so much happier than we ever were before. And she knew of actually Chris at CSI and their level of responsiveness, and we really haven't looked back. As Chris moved up in the company, our previous payroll rep, and we were introduced to Emma, the transition was extremely smooth. Chris was involved with the processing of every one of our payrolls for months just to make sure that there was accuracy, and Emma understood our custom spreadsheets. And I can say we went through that transition with 0 payroll errors, very smooth. So as compliance and reporting gets more and more complicated, I think it's absolutely critical to partner with a good payroll company. As a small business owner, that's one thing I think you really want to take off your plate. Not having to worry about the stress of doing payroll, making sure that all the compliance is taken care of properly, is a huge weight off your shoulders as a small business owner. And again, I think if you have any type of a growth mindset, you need a partner like CSI.